Imagine there are 2 points in your life. Point A is your current financial situation, the place where you work every month, pay bills, spend money, and then wait for the next paycheck again. And point B, financial freedom, a life where money is no longer your biggest stress, a life where you can do what you truly want. Now the question is, how do you want to travel from point A to point B? Would you walk there, ride a bicycle, or drive a fast sports car? Obviously, most people would choose the sports car because everyone wants to reach financial freedom as fast as possible. But here's the reality. Most people spend their entire lives walking slowly toward wealth. And by the time they finally become financially free, they're already 60 or 70 years old. By then, their energy is gone, their health is weaker, and many of their dreams are already dead. So, what's the point of becoming rich if you're too old to truly enjoy your life? In today's video, I'm going to share a powerful idea from MJ DeMarco's famous book, The Millionaire Fastlane. And if you truly understand this concept, it can completely change the way you think about money. It could even help you reach financial freedom years faster than most people. So watch this video till the end because this one idea might completely change your future. When MJ DeMarco was young, he was sitting outside eating ice cream one day. Suddenly he saw a Lamborghini pull up nearby. He immediately assumed that the owner must be some old businessman in his 50s or 60s. But when the door opened, a 25-year-old guy stepped out, young, confident, and financially free. MJ DeMarco was shocked, so he walked up to him and asked, "What do you do for a living?" The young man simply replied, "I'm an inventor," and then he drove away. But that moment completely changed MJ DeMarco's mindset. For the first time, he realized something important. You don't have to wait until old age to become rich. You just need to choose the right road. After years of research, MJ DeMarco discovered that most people live their lives on one of 3 financial roads: the sidewalk, the slow lane, or the fast lane. And your future depends on which road you choose. The first road is the sidewalk. People on the sidewalk only live for today. Their mindset is, you only live once, enjoy everything now. They spend almost everything they earn. A paycheck comes in and immediately goes out again. Shopping, credit cards, EM is expensive lifestyle, showing off. And by the end of the month, their bank account is nearly empty. These people usually have no financial goals, no planning, and no long-term security. And the most dangerous part, some of them actually look rich on the outside. Nice cars, branded clothes, luxury lifestyle. But in reality, they are financially broke. Behind the scenes, they're stressed, trapped in debt, and completely dependent on their salary. If their paycheck stops coming, their entire life starts falling apart. Now, let's talk about the second road, the slow lane. This is where most people live. These people are responsible. They work jobs, save money, invest in mutual funds, build retirement plans, and try to create a secure future. And honestly, this path is much better than the sidewalk. But there's one problem. It's extremely slow. By the time these people finally become financially secure, they're already old. Now think about this. What's the point of having millions of dollars if your health is weak, your energy is gone, and your best years are already behind you? That's why the slow lane is safe, but not fast. Now, let's talk about the third road, the fast lane. This is the road that creates young millionaires. Fast lane people understand one important truth. Money can be earned again, but time can never come back. That's why they focus less on saving money and more on building systems that make money automatically. Think about it. If you stop going to your job, your income stops too. But Fastlane people build businesses, create products, build audiences, and create systems that continue paying them even while they sleep. That is real freedom. Now, the big question is, how do you succeed in the fast lane? The answer is simple. Create value for other people. The more problems you solve, the more money you can make. Jeff Bezos made shopping easier, Bill Gates made computers easier to use, and content creators make money by sharing knowledge with millions of people. Today, because of the internet, even a normal person can start a business, build an audience, sell products, create content, and become financially free. But of course, this path is not easy. That's why most people choose the slow lane instead, because the fast lane requires creativity, risk, discipline, and patience. But if you stay consistent, think differently, and continue improving your skills, you can achieve financial freedom much faster than most people. So now the choice is yours. Will you spend your whole life walking slowly on the sidewalk? Will you wait 40 years in the slow lane? Or will you choose the fast lane and create a life of freedom while you're still young enough to enjoy it? Because life is not meant to be spent only surviving. It's meant to be lived, and the next 5 to 10 years of focused effort could completely change the rest of your life. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more powerful videos about money, freedom, and building a better future. See you in the next video.